I'm here at Cataract Falls in Spencer, Indiana, and I wanted to show you how beautiful the falls is after a really big rain. There is some really beautiful water falling over that. If you happen to catch my last video here at Cataract Falls, swing around here, see that little bit of sandbar? I was standing out, you know, like where that little thing is, bumping up out of the river, but look at how beautiful this place is. If you're near Spencer, Indiana, southwest of Indianapolis, this is where you want to come. The largest volume waterfall in Indiana.